And the challenge we're doing today is going to be called JAuth. So with this challenge, we see right away that you start up the instance and we get credentials. So you could log in as test and test123 and it says, can you become admin? So the website is running here. We click on it, we can see the website running. So let's log in with the default credentials test and test123. So we tried these credentials. We see right away that we're now logged. You have logged into, there's nothing to see here, so we get that we're logged in. But one thing that sticks out with me is JAuth. If you guys don't know, JAuth is basically a type of method to JAuth authentication. So JAuth authentication stands for JWT authentication, which is a way of a way, as it explains here, a secure way to authenticate users and authorize their access to an application and service. In this case, we're basically a test. We're currently as a test user, but we want to reach admin. So we could look up JAuth authentication decoder. So we could look at a JWT token, which would decode some JWT for us. So as you see right here. But how do we get this JWT? So most of the time it's stored as session cookie. So we go inspect, and then we go on storage, and then we look at this token, which is our JAuth token. So if we just copy this and paste it right around here, we see that we're given a role as a user. But what if we want to change this role as admin instead? So we could possibly do that pretty easily. So if we change it to admin, we see that it changes now. So what can we do? So now we see that's admin. So now if we try copying this and just simply put it inside here, it might not work, or maybe it would. So we'll just try it right now, and then we'll refresh. Authentication failed. So yeah, so the authentication failed because I guess there was something missing that we needed to do. Because if we launch, press enter, yeah, authentication failed. So how do we, I guess, solve this issue? So if we go back to JW session auth, we see that there's an algorithm which is H256. What if we just put that there's no algorithm at all? And you see we put no algorithm, the thing will change. So let's see, we put none. None. Oh wait, algorithm. I can change right here. Huh? Because I'm assuming it defaults to none, and then we just take off this. JAuth. We might need to try a different one because I'm assuming that this one you have to set an algorithm. So JWT decoder. Enter JWT token, which is yeah. Let's just try this one. Test. And test123. Log in. We'll grab this bad boy. Put it right there. We'll see. Now we could change this to none. We could probably like look up something to mess around with this. Let's see. There's probably a different tool out there that we could use to our advantage that doesn't have to use I guess that specific tool. Let's try token dev. Okay, JWT string. So I guess this one, it gives us a lot more flexibility on what we could do, because I think the other one you had to put like one of those hashes. So we got this one now. So what happens if I take this off? None. Now that takes off the algorithm part of it, and now we want to change this to admin. So now if we try this one, we should authenticate. And then refresh. Cookies. Base 64 encoded. JWT. So we put that as none, and then we have it as admin. So now we probably need to add, if we look at this one. Oh, we said JWT. We probably just need to add something else. What if we copied this one? What's it? Test. And then test 1, 2, 3. So we could just sign in and get one more idea what this is expecting us to look like. Cookies. If we check cookies. JLWE length 1. Okay, so now I guess if we add this, and then if we add like a dot at the end right here. Now if we copy that and put it inside of here, this should work. And then 1, 2, and 3. Now if we refresh it, hello, you logged in as admin. So yeah, so all we need to do is just simply add a dot at the end so it could like break it up. I'm assuming it wasn't breaking it up accordingly, because I guess if we remove the dot, oh well, I guess we're just gonna grab our flag and then submit it. And we submit it. So yeah, we solved this challenge. So yeah, pretty easy challenge, nothing too difficult. But let's test our theory. So if we initially put the other one, which wasn't the dot, which was just this, it wasn't breaking it up how we wanted it to, and that's why we kept getting the wrong thing. So see, look, the length of it changed. So now if we add the dot, so see, like, was 0, 1, 2. Now if we didn't put a dot, it'll be 0, 0, 1. So I'm guessing I needed 3 parts of it. So yeah, that's about it for me. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.